Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Maayong buntag sa tanan ng mga Bisaya. Happy days always. And today is Wednesday, 21st. 21st of May. And, umaambon. And, our degrees is 13. Pero may ambon ngayong umaga. Cloudy nga. So, ayan lang everyone. Ayan na may ano ng tubig. May ambon. So, that's it at the moment. Dahil umaambon baka kailangan magbukas ng payong. So, yun lang everyone. At may motor sa likod. Kain tayo everyone. Good morning sa lahat. Breakfast kami before start to work. Kamuting kahoy, gapang isaging, ginataan. And then may menu. Toing. Yan lang everyone for lunch namin ni nanay. By the moment. Tapos ito yung minatamis. Finished product. Tortilla de espinach, de espinacas, and ginataan crabs. Ang menu namin today for lunch. Ayan, kain tayo everyone for lunch. Ayan na. Kaway-kaway. Good afternoon, everyone. 14:54 the time here in UK. So, I'm very early today because sorry. Nagising ako ng maaga. So, ayan. Medyo mainit ang panahon. Mainit ang panahon pero cloudy. Madilim ang langit. So, that's it. Ayan, may masalubong kaya iniharap ko sa akin. So, ayan, medyo lumilipad ang hangin. Lumilipad ang hangin. Malakas ang hangin. Pero maginhawa kasi kung hindi, ang degrees dito is 18. Yeah. 18. So, ayun lang everyone. And see you later after my update. I update for the vlog, for the video and everything. So that's it everyone. See you and I'll see you. Yun eh, that's good. First time. Second turn, everyone.
Metropolitan Line train to Aldgate. The next station is Baker Street.
And everyone, vintage car. Galing na. Pauwi na ako, everyone. Madilim ng gabi. Kasi nag-ulan-ulan na naman. So, kaya kailangan natin magmadali pag-uwi, everyone. Dahil malamig. I'm not prepared. Yung aking suot ay manipis. So, mahangin sa labas. Ayan lang, everyone. Awid tayo sa mini pedestrian para pagdiretso tayo sa na-late kami ngayon ng uwi dahil sa kantin late sila. Ang ayan, that's it at the moment. See you tomorrow again, everyone. Bye. Nearly I'm going sa bahay. Bye. I am here na, everyone. Kain tayo. Dinner time while watching YouTube, everyone. Good night. God bless. And I love you all.